Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing this smoky eye look for you guys. But before we get started, I want to thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe today. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Other than that, guys, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Get started. So for some reason I was thinking of doing a voiceover, but then I remembered how long it takes me to do this, so only for these couple seconds here I'm going to be doing this part. I am priming my eyelids with the Paint Pot by MAC. I do apply it first with the brush, and then I'll go ahead and blend it out with my finger. It is a technique that seems to work best for me. You don't have to necessarily do it this way. You could do it with your brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids with this white powder here from the Naked palette. For the smoky look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Smoky Naked palette. I literally rarely use this, so I've been trying to use it a lot lately. So that's why I'm going to be using this one to create that smoky eye look. So in this palette, there's not a lot of colors that I can use as a transition color, which is fine. So I'm going to be actually using one of my favorite transition colors, and it comes in this palette right here. I'm going to be using this color right here, Matte Lopez. Matte Kumar, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to put it in my crease. Blend the shadow with this clean fluffy brush. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the palette. I'm gonna start very slow with this black color right here. It is called Black Market. Be like me, grab a little bit at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit and just start focusing that in the inner part of the eye. Using the Estee Lauder, the Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer, which is this one. For some reason, my camera decided to turn off at this part, but the foundation I am using in this video is the Double Wear Estee Lauder Foundation. Today I'm going to go ahead and use the NARS and the color Custard. The Laura Mercier translucent powder. Get the most tapered brush that you own, and you're gonna grab that black color from the palette, the Black Market one, and try to get as close as you can to your lash line, okay? Just that. bronzer today, I'm going to go ahead and use this NYC Color Wheeled. I love this thing. It's so I'm going to go ahead and remove this off. And so I'm going to go ahead and use the Kevyn Aucoin Ibiza highlighter. It's the first time I use these things to highlight, so I hope this works. So it is a little purple tint. I'm not mad. The purple, to be completely honest with you guys. Kind of like it. To be using the ColourPop, I think it's called Lit Freak. It is from their collection, the Mad X. Don't know if they sell it anymore. I haven't been on the website in such a long time, but that's the one I'm going to be using today. Guys, I hope you guys liked it. I'm so happy because I haven't done such a dramatic look. At least this is dramatic for me. I don't really like dark colors, but I actually like this whole smoky look on me. It gave me a good reason to pull out my Lit Freak by ColourPop. I remember this used to be my favorite color. I think I got like 3 of these because that's how much I loved it. So guys, I am so happy to be back. I know this is probably like, I don't know, my second video, third video back. Other than that, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Show me some love by giving me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment, that way we can conversate. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys until the next video.